In 1898, Bayer, the aspirin company, began selling heroin as an over-the-counter cough medicine for children. A Bayer chemist named Heinrich Dresser synthesized diacetylmorphine and found it made test subjects feel heroic, so they named it heroin. Bayer advertised it as safer than morphine and promoted it as a treatment for tuberculosis, bronchitis, and coughs. Doctors prescribed it to infants. It turned out heroin converts to morphine in the body faster and more potently than morphine itself. It was more addictive, not less. By 1913, even Bayer stopped making it. The United States banned it entirely in 1924. The brand name they trademarked is now the street name.